Bottom of the ninth, 2 out.
And there are players.
Yeah, just kind of give me a little bit. I don't have anything, and this may be the last deal.
Right when she swings here, guys. You all ready?
Are we going to jump up and cheer?
Yeah, kind of, yeah. Come on, come on.
Oh, good pitch. Come on.
It's got a little drama. What kind of thespians you are.
Come on, you got this one now.
Come on.
Let's go.
Choke up on it. Choke.
Good pitch.
Oh, yeah. Good try, good
There, a
try.
little bit better now.
Mimi,
Come on.
Grandma Mimi's up there.
Okay.
Give me Grandma Mimi. Come on, Grandma Mimi, hit that ball.
Grandma Mimi, let's go.
Come on, baby.
Grandma Mimi. Come on, Grandma Mimi. Let's go.
Come on, SB.
Okay, here we go, Grandma Mimi.
Come on.
All right, here we go.
Grandma Mimi, hit it, baby.
Yeah! All right. Yes, baby. Yes.
That was cool.
Way to spank it.
That's game. How about that, real quick? Slow down, you go down. Yeah.
Are y'all still married? I didn't know.
Give me the scenario. What happened here? She coached you.
I coached her when she was in high school.
And junior, one in junior high,
Yeah, junior high and high school. You never played on the ladies team with us, did you?
One year, I think. Oh, not your team, no.
Okay, because I coached the ladies too.
What kind of coach was she?
She was.
Taught her everything she knows.
That's right. I wouldn't be with this helmet, you know. I wouldn't need a helmet if she hadn't coached me right.
I mean, what's it like to see her still out here knocking the ball?
I just can't believe it. That is the strongest woman I've ever seen.
This is the guy.
She is. Not very fast, but strong.
No, but she's going. That's better than nothing else.
That's right.
She could beat me. Let's have a race. Come on.
After a game. And that one there with the hat on, I played with his mother.
With his mother?
With his mother.
Oh my God.
This one.
Play with his mother. God, man.
And I quit. I wasn't going to play, so she's got my glove. So I didn't have a glove to play, so now I've got her daddy's glove.
And that's why she was dropping some of the balls?
No, mine, that's why she keeps it. My glove doesn't miss balls.
Y'all just ignore me, just talk, visit amongst yourselves.
Yeah.
Y'all win y'all game? Y'all win y'all game?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Watertown, I think. Where's Kevin? Watertown? And he didn't from Watertown?
Oh, yeah, he was supposed to be here.
Why am I carrying your bag? That was a good game.
It was a hot game. Hot game.
Well, at least we
It
had
could
held
be-
them and
Well, what did we
Could be a
end
lot
up playing?
harder.
5 or 6 innings? I mean, 5 innings?
they had the
I thought we
last
played 6.
You wait.
I will.